Hey guys, welcome to Beast Ride DIY. I wanted to do one more video to show you the Harbor Freight Black Friday deals they have going on. These end tomorrow, Monday, December 2nd. So first off, they've got the $189 was $279. You're saving 90 bucks. It's a US General 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics cart. Now, this is just on their website, so you can go on their website. They have multiple different colors here. You can see the different colors they have, and they have up to 4.7 stars on this one. And again, you're saving 90 bucks on this one, so not too bad. Next up for $7.99, you're saving $300 here. This is a Predator 5,000 watt dual fuel super quiet inverter generator. And 40% off. This is their Icon socket set deal. So 40% off all their socket sets. Now it is in store only, so you will have to run by one of the stores to pick this up. And just keep in mind the savings will be taken off at the register. So you'll have the normal price and then the register price. Now for $129, this is the Bauer 20-volt brushless cordless half-inch high torque impact wrench. This does come with a 5 amp hour battery and charger. This looks like it has about 5 stars, maybe 4.95 or something. You're saving 30 bucks on this. Nothing too crazy. Was 159. It's now 129. But on these kits, you're probably not going to go super low on these deals anyway. Next up for 249, you're saving $70 on this Badland 3-ton off-road jack. It's got about 5 stars as well. Off-road jack lifts full and mid-sized trucks, SUVs, ATVs, and UTVs. And this is a $70 savings on this one. Now from Hallmaster, you've got this 400-pound capacity 1-inch by 15-foot ratcheting tie down. So this is a 4-pack. This one is a pretty good deal. It's $5.96. It was $12.99. You're saving 54% on this one. So that's a pretty good deal on that. And these are some of the 40% off deals they have. I did talk to you already about the Icon socket set one. They do have a Braun light set. So any Braun lights in store are going to be 40% off all of their Braun lights. These do have some inside track club deals, and that's their payment plan. Basically, you pay like 30 bucks or something for a whole year, and you get access to all of their early savings plans as well as discounted prices throughout the year. Now, I really like this one here. This is the 10,000 lumen 4-foot linkable diamond plate LED shop light. So this is an Inside Track Club member deal for $34. And the cool thing is you can link up to 4 with these. So you're going to be getting quite a bit of brightness, and you can link these together in your shop to have different kinds of configurations. Now the Avanti sprayer brush deal. This is going to be 40% off all Avanti sprayers, brushes, and rollers. So any price, basically, you can take 40% off the price at the register. And they had some battery deals as well. These are some AAA batteries. These are from the Thunderbolt Edge. These are 50% off. They're free at $396. And then they have the other different batteries as well. You got some D batteries, AA's. Basically, all the batteries from this Thunderbolt Edge brand are going to be 50% off. And one thing to keep in mind as well, throughout the store, they have closeout deals. I did see those, and those are actually lower than the Black Friday deals from 40, 50, and 60% off. You just have to keep your eye out because they're different depending on whatever store you're at. From Warrior, they've got this 4.3 amp, 4.5-inch angle grinder with slide switch. This is going to be $9.98. You're saving 33%. It was $14.99. Now from Bunker Hill, this is going to be $2.94. This is a 50% off savings. And I think if you look at the bigger ones, they do have those still in the store too. And those are going to be like $7, and those are still 40 to 50% off. Now they've got some 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands for $24.99. That's going to be 50% off. And you can see the ratings just about right at 5 stars with over 3,000 ratings. And you get to pick from all of these colors here. Anyways, from Franklin, they had the 17-foot reach, 300-pound multi-task ladder. 99 bucks. You're saving $50. It was $149. This does have good ratings. With this type of ladder too, you can use it like this, or you can also straighten it out to where you're getting the full 17 feet, and it's going to lock right in this position here. Some other deals, this Viking 10 or 1000 peak amp lithium ion jump starter and power bank. Now you're going to want to have some type of jump starter in your car. I've learned that the hard way, being broken down. I did have an old jump starter over a decade ago, and it was the size of the car battery. But nowadays you have much smaller ones. So definitely a good deal. And you want something with a boost feature as well. I think this one does have it, but I'm not 100% sure. That boost feature, that's going to get you that extra bit of power to jump your battery. Say it's a cold morning, your battery's super dead. You need to get it started to get over to somewhere you can get a new battery. Now from titanium is this Easy Flux 125 amp welder. It's $124. You're saving $25. It's got that neon green color. And as far as stars, it looks like it's about 4.8 stars with 4,000 ratings. Now titanium has this 36-inch by 24-inch modular welding table with welding fit up kit. That's $149. You're saving $40, and that has pretty good ratings, although only 288 ratings, but still, nevertheless, about 4.8 stars on that one. From Pittsburgh Pro, we have some different deals. They've got this 3/8 of an inch drive, 5 to 80 foot-pound torque wrench, quarter inch, and then a half inch. And these are all going to be $11.99. They were $19, $18, and $21. Now this is the Armstrong 17-inch to 42-inch swivel tilt TV wall mount. It's a $7.92. You're saving 20% on this one. And this is actually an item that we have bought in our home. They also have these Franklin dollies. You get the 1,000-pound capacity, 30 by 18-inch. These are $12.99. I'm not sure why they have two different listings. One's an online exclusive, the other's in store. And you can look at the bottom here. You can see the deal if it's in store only or if you can get it online. You have some different shop tel packs at 50% off. They also had gloves as well. I think all their gloves were 50% off. So that's a pretty good deal if you need some mechanics gloves or just cleaning gloves for around the house. Magnetics part holder up there, that's 89 cents. So it's a 70% off savings on that. We've got some tarps here, 42 and 28% off. One's 12 by 16 feet, one's 11 by about 20 feet. Oh, here's that other ammo can. So this is the bigger one. I was saying it was about $7. This one's $9.96, so it's a 41% savings. Now this one isn't online. You can actually get this one online as well. It's a 1,000 lumen LED work light. This is 33% off. It was $14. It's now $9.98. And then from Pittsburgh, you got a drive hex socket set for $9.91. That's 33% off. It was $14.99. Pretty good ratings. It looks like about 4.7 stars on that one. You've got some generators here from Predator. You've got the 9,500 watt super quieted generator, $500 off. It was $22.99. It's now $17.99. And then this is just an online deal. And this one is $5.99 for the 4550 watt inverter. And it was $6.79. You're saving $80 on that one here. This is one of the items that I had showed in the video. It's the 9800 weatherproof protective rifle case. $99. You're saving $50 on this one. This one is in store though. That you just keep that in mind. So from Doyle, this is a professional flip utility knife. You're saving 50% on this. It's $4.98. Not bad at 50% off. It was $9.99. It's got some good ratings. 10-inch pneumatic tire with a white hub from Hallmaster is $4.94. You're saving 45%. It was $8.99. And then from Warriors, this titanium drill bit set is a 29-piece set, $9.86. You're saving 50%. It was $19.99 on that one. And some good deals as well on these cable ties. $139. They were $349. So 60% savings. And then you've got these microfiber cleaning cloths, 12 by 12. It's a 12 pack. Whether you're cleaning the home or your car, these are great for cleaning your car as well. Now from Pittsburgh, they have this 16-ounce fiberglass rip hammer. It's going to be $393. You're saving 43%. And they're saying if you compare it to the Cobalt one, you're saving actually 61%. All right, so these are the Daytona 6-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands. These are in slate gray. So this is $49. You're saving 37%. They were $79, and these are just about 5 stars, 1,500 reviews, and they come in all these different colors here. You can see this whole flyer, and you can swipe left and right. There's multiple pages here, so you can see all the different deals. There's multiple things that I did not cover. As you can see here, some good deals on some Bauer items. 25% off, 36% off this 10 amp variable speed reciprocating saw, 57% off this 2.8 amp 5-inch random orbital palm sander, And some of these things I actually missed pretty recently. I missed them in my recent video. And look at this here, guys. This liquidation sale. It says shop early for best off, up to 78% off. And this is one thing I did see, and I mentioned this earlier. It says hundreds of open box as is discontinued, close out, factory reconditioned, scratch and dent items. This, guys, is where you're going to find your best deals. If you can look in the back of the Harbor Freight, it was in the back right of my store. They had some boxes that basically busted up a little bit, had one side missing or something. These are going to be deeply discounted. You're going to want to check these out just in case there's something you need to pick up and you don't mind what the box looks like. Of course, you're probably going to want to check out the actual item. Let's look down here. $65 off this 11 amp deep cut variable speed bandsaw. 42 off this 20-volt brushless coreless half-inch ultra torque impact wrench. That's saying it was 249. It's now going to be 207. For $99, you've got the Chicago Electric 10-inch compound miter saw. Now, if you do want some high-performance vertical auto air compressors, you can save about 50 bucks a piece on these. The $349 is what the price is now. They were $399. Along the bottom, as you can see here, are some lower priced items, but they do have pretty high percentage off. Not all of them, but you can see these 51% off these permanent job site markers, transfer pump, and around 50 to 47 to 58% off these gloves and this infrared thermometer. These were the gloves I was talking about. These are some mechanics gloves. These are going to be $898 at 47% off. And then when you get a little bit thinner of the glove, I mean, 7 mils is not bad still, $698, and then $498 for your standard 5 mil nitrile powder free gloves. Another thing I wanted to point out from Icon, they had these professional adjustable shop seats with tool storage for $69.99. That's $45 off. They were $114. So pretty decent deal on those. You get to pick your color and they have the 300-pound capacity. And what I've heard people doing as well, if you do have a Harbor Freight credit card, you can take advantage of these deals. What a lot of people did is they were in the early track club, so they would get what they wanted. They would buy it with the credit card, and then with the credit card, I think you get like 10% extra off if you're into doing that. So you could get a really good deal. Someone said they picked up one of these Badland winches at a pretty deep discount because they used their card and got an even further discount. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. These were just some extra deals that I saw, and I wanted to kind of remind you as well that, these deals are going on through tomorrow, Monday the 2nd. I know they have some Christmas deals coming up that I'll kind of update you on as well, but I hope you enjoyed this video and check out this next one.